doorbell. It's time looking. This is my pantry. What is on top?
I don't know. Nothing. Alright, hold it up so you can see. There we go.
This is my door. This has beautiful colors. This is how you knock.
Cool.
And this
Alright,
is
let's
my
shut the
light
door so the
switch.
air conditioner can work. Because it's hot.
And this is our key. It's right here. And that's my hand. That's my mom's phone. That's my mom's backpack. And this is my friend's hat. This is Halo's band. And this is Haukea.
Cool, I think just put that in
This is Haukea's mask. That's my backpack. This is Haukea famous conductor. This is Haukea's.
Next pillows.
What is this
neck
is
pillow.
Haukea's for yours.
It's Haukea.
And this is Haukea's pillow. And this is Halo's. I'm gonna laugh here. Say hi, Halo's. Hi, Halo's. Hey, say hi. Say hi, Log. Hi, Log. Okay. This is my TV. And some Louie. This is my blue. This is my Play-Doh. This is all my Play-Doh. Halo's brownie. This is my duff. And this is my. This is all my good. Oh, yes. This is my soft blankie. And this is her fans and Haiti Moses. And let me show you some other things. That's my mom. And what is this? Mine. And this is my mom's. And this is my mom's fan. And this is my bubbles. And it's empty, guys.
What do we have to do?
Have to buy another one at Disneyland.
When?
To get back to Disneyland tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And this is my mirror. I know which was me and Haiti was matching. Well, if how much buy, half now. This is our boxes. This is a fan. And this is our phone. This is Haiti Rose stuff. This is Haiti Rose mask. This is Haukea's. This is single Haiti Roses. This is Haukea for Haiti.
What about the other room? Let's go do the other room.
This is Haiti Rose's nest.
Cool.
Hey, let's do the next room. And this is Auntie's cakes, and these are my friends. And this is Auntie's bag, and this is her face up. This is our chair.
Nice chair.
And this is our soft bed.
Check it out. Is that good for sleeping? Alright, you take it out. I'll be back later. I'm going to go to the jacuzzi.
Never!
No, where's the jacuzzi? I see a jacuzzi right outside. Let's look and see. Yep, there's a jacuzzi out there. Hey. And the water park is just across over there. Short little walk.
And look! And this is our phone that everybody calls us. And this is our nightlight.
And okay, one more room I think is the bathroom. Can you show them the bathroom?
And wait, there's one more bathroom. And this is two sinks. Two people can wash their hands like me and Haiti Rose. We brush our teeth. We can wash hands together.
top, and then the shower. It's pretty big.
The shower, thank you. Can you yeah.
It's wet. Don't go in there. Ooh.
And this is our shower. It's pretty big.
Okay.
And this is our bathroom. There's like 5 people can go in
Yep, looks
there.
like a bathroom. Oh, that's a cool picture.
Ah!
Let's
That
see.
looks like structure. And this is our closet for all our towels to hang on. After we take a shower.
I think we hang them right here.
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, totally.
Now can I go now? And what is this? This is our closet. And this is our zipper. And this is our beautiful pictures, our bathroom.
We already went over here. I think that's it. All right, got tape. We'll see you guys later.
No, the bathtub.
Oh, shucks. I forgot. There's one more bathroom.
This is my mom, the families, and my boys. And yes. See? Oh. Oh no. Ah, it's about to die. Let's click on the video. Hi guys, you say hi. Hi. Say we're going to go down. Hi. No, bye.
Pull your boobs up. Yeah, just keep pulling your boobs up.
Every couple minutes, I'm gonna have to move my tape. Oh, is that on record? Hi!
Silly girl.
I'm jumping. I'm jumping, Mommy.
This is what we do when girls get we have fun. Okay, let's get a different one.
Hi, video. I want to right.
This way.
Hey, look. Pull it. I'm coming, guys. This. This is our playset. Okay. Look at my trailer. Look at my trailer. Look at my board. Honey, trailer. Look at, say hi. Okay, wait, like.
Yeah, so we just got back here. It is.
Actually, why you?